Assalamu alaikum, American Muslim Girl fans. So today we're on a walk, and we go on lots of walks now that COVID-19 has happened. Yeah, let me show you the path. Oh, at the end I'm going to say the question for the day at the end of the video. So here's the path. It's really nice. There's a tree this way, and then the path, and then trees this way. And my sister always likes being carried by my dad. So I'm just gonna say the question of the day now. The question of the day is, do you guys go on walks a lot? And if you do, where's your favorite place to walk? Now Ella has something called, I wanted her to call it, a coronavirus dance is what I said to call it. Oh, fun fact of the day. If you didn't already know this, you can tell how old trees are by counting the rings. We counted rings on a tree that had been cut, and it was 88 years old. Hey Ella! Time for your coronavirus dance. Alrighty, here she is, everyone. Do your dance. Come on. She's embarrassed. But here's how it actually should look. Hold this. I didn't make up the coronavirus dance. Alright, we're going to let her make up the coronavirus dance, I guess. Because she's upset. Okay, well. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, okay. Assalamu alaikum, American Muslim Girl fans. See you later. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye. Oh, and don't forget the bonus footage of Ella doing a ghost story.
Yeah. Bye-bye. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 88 years old.
Wow, pretty cool.
The tree is 88 years old.
Woo! This was a beautiful tree. A lot of beautiful trees around here.
I knew this tree was old. I knew it was like